Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So for today I'm going to do the Allure July unboxing, which is really good. I'm so excited because I want to see what is inside. Okay, so for this box you pay $15 each month and you'll get around like 2 full-size products and like 7 to 6 items. So to me it's like a pretty good deal. Okay, so first we have this paper which is showing you the products we got this month. So let's start. The first full-size product is this one. It is a glass skin refining serum. Sounds really nice. So let's see how it feels. I definitely want to try this one. So look, this is how it looks. And let me see. Let me try just a little bit to feel. It feels really nice. I'm definitely excited about this product. So let's see the next one. The next one, full-size product, it will be an ocean cleanser. So this one neutralize the T-zone, irritate your cheeks and left the skin glowing. So it's kind of nice too, because you can use this one first and then you use the serum, because both of them, they say they make your skin look like glow. The next product is a butter lip check. Let me find it here, and it says it can make everything better in seconds. Ooh. So let's see how it looks. I can't open it. Why? Oh my god. Okay, got it. So this one is this is how it looks. So this is how it looks. The color is pretty. And let's try. So you can see here. Wow. It's very nice and it feels really nice too. So I'm excited about this product also. Let's keep opening this. Oh, the next one is the Eyes by Sunday Riley, but I don't think this one is a full size. This one is more like a sample, but it's a pretty good sample. And this one, it says it's thick and it smells like vanilla, but this cream melts into skin as a fast serum. So let's see if it really smells like vanilla. Oh, it's true. It smells really good. This is the texture, and let's try it. It feels really nice. I'm sorry, and like I'm saying, I don't think this is the real size, but it has like pretty good amount. Let me see how much. It doesn't say how much, but I think I'm gonna try too. I'm excited to try it too. I love it. So far I love this month's box. The next one, it will be the Acne the Acne Cover Patch, and It says clean and dry the troubled area, remove the film and stick on the target area, and remove after it turns white. Replace as necessary. So I never tried this one before, to be honest, but why not? And the last but not least is the charcoal pore care. Let's see what it says about this one. I found it. It's like a detox max. And they're often too much for my skin, but it's the right one. I don't have to follow the medicine. And they say the price is like $3. So, only looking at the full size items, I got 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is pretty good because just those 4 in total that make like $106, and you only pay $15 for the box. So I think it was a pretty good deal. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you subscribe, and I hope everybody have a good and nice week.